The best benefit of being part of the YouTube Partner Program is that you can talk to someone if you have any problems. This is very handy if you have any question related to technical issues with your channel. Let's see how to use it. Go to your N tab in YouTube Studio of the channel that got monetized. This is something you can do when you have 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours. Then scroll down and see the help section. Here you can find the option to chat with the YouTube team. Click it and you are in the help section. Now you need to fill out this form before you can get in touch with them. First, write your question in the box, and they will show some help articles that might help you and answer the question. Read them if you haven't yet. I always start with the help section because most of my questions are answered there. But if you don't see your specific question in the article they show you, you can move to the next option, and this is to chat with them or write them an email. If you'd like to get an immediate answer and you are willing to wait a bit, you can open the chat. After you click chat or email, you get a short form to answer some questions like your channel ID and more info about the question. Then you can start the chat or send the email. I used it once since it got monetized. I wanted to know how to control the products I showed on my store. Unfortunately, the support in the chat didn't have an answer, and they just copied the help section of my question again and again, without understanding the problem. But if you have something more personal, about your payments for example, you can chat with them. They answer the chat very quickly, but the chat takes time, especially in the case where the agent didn't have the answer, and I had to wait for the manager to help me. Well, she also didn't have an answer. Now I know the answer for that question. You can control the products only if the store you pushed those products from has a system for it. If you would like to get the answer via email and you don't need the answer right away, you can save time by writing the email and not waiting for the chat. If you'd like to know more about things you can do when you first got monetized, you can watch this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.